In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly jump to a specific date or time period on your chart in TradingView so you can analyze past data without endless scrolling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load any chart you want to analyze. Once your chart is open, make sure you're inside the main chart view where you can see price movements. Now, instead of scrolling back manually, press Alt plus G on your keyboard. This is a built-in shortcut that opens the date range tool. After pressing it, a small date input box will appear on your screen. Here, you can enter the exact date or range you want to view. For example, you can type a specific date or define a range like the beginning and end of a month. Once you've entered your desired date or range, click on Go To. TradingView will instantly jump your chart to that exact time period, showing you the data for that range. This makes it much easier to review past price action, analyze specific events, or study how the market behaved during certain periods. You can use this feature to compare different time frames, backtest strategies, or quickly navigate large charts without wasting time. That's it. You now know how to use the date range shortcut in TradingView to move around your charts faster and more efficiently. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.